Hi guys, it's me again. Yeah, second video for the day. First video for those who followed it. We talked about the real estate market and which particular sectors may do well and what would be your approach on how you're supposed to go about your investments for the year. However, this is something that's very pressing because I'm excited. In spite of the market being expensive, in spite of the market being in the red a couple of days prior to where we are now, the market just keeps beating expectations, and I'm happy to tell you that we have closed and hit another high, that the market is relatively breaking record upon record upon record. So it's something that's exciting and amazing because we are seeing a different landscape in the market, that in spite of it being expensive, the growth that we're seeing in the PSEi is being outpaced by what it could be for the next few years. Now, you have to remember all of the sentiment that we're seeing here, in spite of valuations relatively being higher, is people are actually saying that, hey, because of what's happening in the tax reform law, it's exciting because they're seeing that the possibilities of how good and how big the economy will be and how listed companies will continue to earn is pretty much still positive and optimistic. So that's what's keeping the market afloat. That's what's adding a level of buying. That's what's putting the buying frenzy in our markets today. So the market closed at 8,923. So this is something exciting because this was something that people last year, you have to remember this, the market last year was relatively low and bearish. People did not expect the market to be where we are today. So exciting days because the market is up. It was up around 2% for the day, just after the quick sell-off that we had a couple of days prior. However, here's another thing you might want to consider. Volume was around 7-8%, was around 7 to 8 billion, which from where we are standing is still good, still positive. It's average, and it's something that gives you a firm conviction of what's happening in the market. So this movement upward is heavily supported by volume already. So congratulations to those who are positioned and well into the markets. No, so I salute you for not selling too early. Kasi the thing about the markets now, when it's bullish, we get hampered by emotions and we sell too early. But you have to remember this: as long as the market is still bullish, the greatest way to make money is just to hold and wait until a sell signal will occur. So for position traders, there's no sell signal yet. Since the market reversed and turned bullish, there's no sell signal. After we broke out 8-1, what did I say for those who've been following the videos? As long as 8-1 will hold, the movement up is pretty much in play. Then I posted in some videos as well that as long as we break out of 8-5, the movement to 8-9 is now pretty much evident. Now, guess what? A few weeks and months after, we are now at 8,900. We are now at the soft target price for the market. Here's the thing. At where we are right now, the market does not have any resistance yet. I repeat, the market does not have any resistance yet. We are in uncharted territories. We are in levels that we have never walked upon. We are in levels where your father and your father's father have never ever seen before. This is a point to be, I guess, excited because we are hitting a point where the market is bullish that we have never seen before. So now, what does this mean also? I've posted this in several videos that if we hit 8-8, hit 8-9, watch out. Watch out if we stay above these levels. Why? For those who've been following the videos, you know what I'm gonna say already. If we stay above 8-8, we stay above 8-9, what does this do to all of us? This gives us now a sniping chance, a sniping target for us to hit 10,000. This is something that a lot of people have been talking about for years now, but now it's now actually within distance. It's now actually within technical parameters telling us that our target for 10K is now feasible, is now in sight. But please remember this, 10,000 will only happen if 8-8, 8-9 levels will hold, if the market does not drop after hitting those levels. So please watch out for that. It's something very interesting because if we fail to hold 8-8, if we fail to hold 8-9, the market could possibly retrace and a correction to 8-5 is possible. So please watch out for that, people who are who are watching the support and resistances of the market, we failed to hold 8.9, and this movement to 8.9 is short-lived. Possible correction to around 8.5 is still pretty much possible. So how do you play this? Quick traders, failure to hold 8.9 may warrant a take profit signal for all of you guys. For position traders, we're very far from our take profit signal. So quick traders, just stay put and hold your positions until we find a reversal pattern take place. For quick traders, watch for 8.9. 8.9 fail to hold. That's when you take profits. Another thing that I'd like to mention today, it's actually the heavy hitters that brought the market higher. When I say it's the heavy hitters that brought the market higher, it's Ali, AC, BDO, SMPH, SM that brought the markets higher. You can add URC to the mix. No, URC is quite has been quite surprising for the very reason that it started to reverse after hitting several bottoms, after hitting I guess a strong support. The stock has started to reverse, and I'm here to tell you, for those who are watching URC, if you're a position trader, the stock now broke out from the heavy resistance that was preventing it from going up. So now URC is now bullish. For position traders, as long as URC stays above that 200-day moving average, it would be a good portion, it would be a good area for you to buy. And if you are positioned already, don't sell the stock, hold your positions, and I'll let you know when we're seeing a reversal in the stock happen over the next few days, or should it happen over the next few days, weeks, and months as well. For a quick trading scenario though, the stock is now close. It's now in its next resistance. So if it fails to break out of 175, we may actually expect a short-term correction which may bring the markets lower. But here's the thing, it's not strong enough as of this point in time to actually destroy the trend in the market. So for another thing that was surprising today, URC was up 5%, pure gold up 7%. It's now back to its resistance at 54 pesos per share. So for quick traders, if it fails to break past 54 convincingly, it fails to stay above those levels, quick traders may now take profits. You may now sell your stocks at 54 pesos per share if you're a quick trader. But for position traders, guess what? The stock is pretty much still bullish. The trend is pretty much up. So URC and pure gold, no sell signal yet for position traders. But for quick traders, please take note of the resistance levels that I've noted. If it fails to break out of those levels, by all means take profits if you're a quick trader as well. So that's the recap for the market. As promised, I'll just keep doing more and more videos like this. Comment below, by the way, for the stocks that you want to be requested. We will do our stocks by request hopefully by tomorrow or hopefully by Thursday. Depends on how much time I have. Yun lang talaga yung problem, no? If I just had I just hope I can make a New Year's resolution to be more consistent. No, I think that was my problem last year. When things got a bit busy, nahirapan ako gumawa ng stocks by request. But I promise, but promises are made to be broken. I promise to do more stocks by request live sessions this year, and I hope I become more consistent. All right. Quick plug: all of our events, CDO links are down below, will be this weekend. Then Investor Insights with Randall Chongson will be this January 20. If you want to know which investments will do well this 2018, join us for Investor Insights. That will be in Manila. Then Stock Smarts London UK will be January 26 to 28. If you know anyone from London, the link is below as well. Stock Smarts Dubai UAE February 9 to 13, and then Manila for the entire March. We will be talking about technicals and fundamentals with the entire heart of teaching you to trade properly, the heart of teaching you to trade well. All right, so just greeting you guys. Brooks Diana Lee, hello. JL Manalo, Rudolph Sifra, and Doc William. Rudolph, I just mentioned the support and resistance. Jelsi Magalong, hello to you. Shell Gagutan, Tommy Lee asking about East West. Let's include that in stocks by request. Shell Gagutan from Sweden, hello. Hector Cabos, Shell Albin Iceland. No, I know it's not as close as Sweden, but close enough. Hector Cabos, CHP, an MRSGI, Brenda Batulao, Malusi Bayan, Robert Mesa, hello to you. Mary Jane Allegro, please comment also from what cities you are from, so At least I know what city you represent. John Panganiban's asking for East West Bank. I'll try to include that in stocks by request. Jit from Iloilo's student. Shell Gagutan, I just mentioned. Pure Gold, Randy Omega. 10,000. Brooks Diana Lee, hello to you. John Bolpars, how to invest. Rupert Lapira asking for DD. I guess that's it, no? For those asking about specific stocks, we'll include that for stocks by request this either tomorrow or on Thursday. So that's it for now. Thank you for you guys joining. It's always an amazing pleasure to be part of your journey. Keep on investing, keep on trading. Don't let your emotions get the better of you, especially when the market is up. Madaling sumunod sa emotions and you might sell too quickly. Your goal is to follow the trend, and as long as the trend is bullish and as long as the trend is headed up, please don't sell. Please follow your take profit signals using technicals and fundamental analysis. So that's it for now. I hope this videos help you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo from BGC, where all the action is, where the Philippines is one of the most amazing economies, most amazing countries for you to invest in, which we're just seeing the start of even greater days ahead. See you all again soon, and good night. There you go.